Well, hello, my lovelies. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel today, you guys. I have such a good job for you guys today, okay? So this job comes straight from Gofundme, okay? So I know I have done Gofundme in the past, but this job, you guys, it is absolutely amazing, and I did not want you guys to miss out on this. That is why I keep updating you guys about the new jobs that are coming to the market, okay? So this job, like I said, this job is so super easy, okay? This job is super easy. It is high paying, you guys. It is completely remote, you guys. Y'all go put in your resumes for this job. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys, so that you can have a pain free resume, you guys. A pain free professional resume done for you within 10 easy minutes, you guys. 10 to 15 minutes, you are going to have a professional resume, you guys. And I know it because you guys, I wrote it, okay? So, you guys, y'all go put in for this job, but we are going to get into the shout outs of the day. I am so happy for all of my shout outs of the day. You guys, I'm so happy for you guys taking the leap of faith, rewriting your resume, and landing these positions, especially Miss Wanda. Let me tell you about Miss Wanda M, okay? And so she got the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. Literally, she said she was making only $76,000. You guys, she more than doubled her salary. She doubled her salary to $182,000 using the virtual resume rewrite session. She rewrote that resume, you guys, and she landed that job. Okay, Miss Talanda, she got an offer for $175,000 using the virtual resume rewrite session to rewrite her resume based on skill. And I'm going to keep telling you guys, they are looking for skill at this point in time, okay? Everyone has a degree, but it's the skills that are getting the job, and that's why I rewrote your resume already for you in the virtual resume rewrite session geared towards skill. Because if you have the skill, you are going to land the job, and you can definitely, like I said, rewrite your resume in 10 to 15 minutes with the virtual resume rewrite session. And it's paying for it, okay? So Gregory got an offer. Well, Gregory landed the job for $173,000, you guys. Y'all go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session. Rewrite that resume geared towards skill. It is the skill that is going to get you hired, guys. It's the skill. And that's why the virtual resume rewrite session is geared toward the skill and what you have done. Like I said, you will have an impactful, professional, pain-free resume in 10 to 15 minutes, you guys. Y'all go pick up that virtual resume rewrite session, okay? All right, so let's get into the inspiration of the day. So the inspiration of the day is, and this comes from my own personal experience. You don't know where in life you are going to be a year from now. You don't know where you are going to be, but you need to take the steps. Take the steps that you need and do the things that you need to do so that you can get there. Okay, you guys? Because He will take you where nobody else can, and He will take you the rest of the way. All you have to do is show him that you are working toward it, okay? And I know this from my own experience. All I had to do was show that I was working toward it, and God took me the rest of the way. And I'm so excited to share that inspiration of the day with you guys, because this is 2023, and I'm going to keep saying that. This is 2023. If you don't change this year, when are you going to change? When are you going to go out there and get what you need? Go out there, go get what you need. Go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session, rewrite that resume, okay, so that you can land this job, because we are no longer doing evictions, bankruptcies. We are no longer going to live in the struggle. And that's what I want you guys to put down there in the comments box. We are no longer going to live in the struggle. We are going to stop the struggle and we are going to live in his grace and his blessings, you guys. Okay? So that's what we're doing for 2023. You guys go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session. Rewrite that resume for this job, okay, you guys? And that job is the virtual resume rewrite session is pay in for, you guys. There is no reason why you should not be getting that virtual resume rewrite session so that you can rewrite your resume, okay, you guys? All right, so let's get into this job right now. I'm so excited to share this job with you guys because I want you to land it and because it's a super simple, super easy job. So let's get into it right now. Like I was telling you guys, this is such an all-star job. They're looking for a senior manager. Oh my God, that's what Wanda, oh my God, Wanda got a senior manager position. I can't tell you where she got it at, but she got a senior manager position and she got it for 182,000, you guys. Y'all go get this job, okay? Okay, so this job is they're looking for a senior manager. This job is fully remote. So it says remote right under there. It's fully remote. Full benefits, you guys. Full benefits and no degree required for this job. Like I said, this is a skills-based job. Use that virtual resume rewrite session. I already included all of your skills for you, and along with the skills comes the experience, the pre-written experiences. All you have to do is copy and paste the pre-written experience for the skill set that they are asking for, and boom, you got a professional resume pain free in 10 easy minutes. Okay, you guys? So let's get down to this job. Okay, you know, I do not read the. You guys can read that first paragraph because it's basically telling you who GoFundMe is. But let's read the second. It says, join us. The GoFundMe team is seeking a senior manager of customer success. So they are seeking a senior manager, you guys. So they are seeking a manager who is going to lead their customer success department. It says to help create, drive, and maintain the functional strategy and operation of a team that manages and supports high potential, in fact, impactful GoFundMe fundraisers. You guys, this job is so super easy. I mean, this is the easiest job that I have posted on this channel. Maybe yesterday. I think both of them are really super simple, super easy jobs. If you guys are managers, no matter what industry you are in, if no matter what industry you are in, go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session so that you can switch industries. Okay, switch into this job. You are a manager, okay, and you have the skills of a manager. Use my virtual resume rewrite session to pick out the skills that they are asking for in this job and place that in your resume. I want to say there is going to be no reason why none of you should apply for this job. There should be no reason why you shouldn't land this job because that's how super simple this job is. Okay, you guys, go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session, paying for. Okay, let's get down to it. It says strategy and operations. Create and deliver quantitative, individual, and team account management expectations, including accounting for influx situations such as supporting fundraisers and organizers when large-scale crisis moments occur. Build team expansion strategy with existing customers and a capacity model leveraging return on investment impact. Develop a customer relationship management technology strategy and project manage implementation. So this is on the same thing as a project manager, you guys. One thing that I am going to say on this that they are asking for you to build their team. More than anything, they're asking for you to build and lead that team, you guys. And that is one of the skills that is included in my virtual rewrite session. All you have to do is go to that paragraph and pick up the experiences that I have already put on there for you. Put that in your resume. That needs to be in your resume, you guys.
Report on team status and performance trajectory to upper customer experience management. Develop new materials, i.e. presentation, standard methodology, onboarding plans as needed to improve organizational structure. Oversee the customer interaction process and monthly data collection to make strategic strategies on team performance and customer strategies. Maintain a deep understanding of our product and subsidiary product to speak with customers about the most relevant features / functionality for their specific need. Manage team schedule based on customer schedule, estimated hours, tasks, milestones, resource leveling, and success matrix. So basically what they're asking you to do, one, they're asking you to lead the team. Two, they're asking you to develop their customer relationships. And basically they're asking you to be their project manager. Okay, this screams project manager. Okay, so there are a lot of skills that they are asking you guys. All of those skills that are listed there are listed in the virtual resume rewrite session with the experiences to go along with them. All you have to do is basically cut and paste from the resume rewrite section, incorporate these into your resume so that you can land this job. Okay, now let's go down to what they're asking for. Management. It says management, you are responsible for the performance and growth of team and managers. Okay, 100% project management. It says you will lead the team to develop new methods and solve complex matters. You will support the team in accomplishing objectives tied to vision. You will create clear areas of responsibility and ownership amongst individual contributors and managers, and you will maintain a forward-thinking team that adjusts with experiments effectively. Provide support with top-tier customer escalations, advise on day-to-day team and crisis management as needed, you guys. 110% that this is a project management job. Okay, there is no reason why you guys are, if you have the virtual resume rewrite session, incorporate every skill that they are asking for in this job and put that on your resume. Also, in the virtual resume rewrite session, I teach you guys how to tailor your resume using the information that is already in the virtual resume rewrite session. Tailor that information to put this into, to embed it into your resume. Okay, you guys, because this is nothing but a project management job. Okay, it says a senior manager. Senior managers, project managers, program managers, they basically do the same thing. If you already have it, go ahead and go tailor your resume to this. If you are coming from another industry, you are going to need the skills that are included on the virtual resume rewrite session to put this into your resume to enhance the skills that they're looking for. Okay, so let's go down to what you are. Okay, and this is what they're asking you to be. So let's go right now. So let's get down to what you will be doing. So on what you will be doing, it says you are a deep analytical thinker. You use frameworks, data, analytical tools to help structure the team's thinking. You are proficient, professional, experienced with engaging with public figures. You communicate clearly, concisely, and directly. You are advanced in Salesforce, experienced in quota team goal curation, requires no direction on assigned objective. You drive the team's momentum and culture. Strong cross-functional partnerships building skills, you guys. This is a project management skill. Okay, it says strong presentation and meeting attendance. That is also located on the virtual resume rewrite session. It says you are strategic problem solving with the ability to think and respond quickly in front of customers. You approach objective and problem solving with a can-do mentality. You showcase humanity and accountability, and you take the initiative to involve team strategy and support their needs, you guys. This is such a simple and easy job. I cannot just explain that to you guys. This is a project management / senior management job. Okay, you guys, This is such an amazing position, and it is high paying. So it says why you'll love it here. I'm not going to read all of it, but it says you're going to get market competitive pay. They have rich health care, 401. It's a hybrid workplace, monetary support for new hire setup. So they're going to give you a bonus, you guys. They are going to give you a bonus for being a new hire, okay? That's why I say, y'all go get this job. Do not cheat yourself out of this job. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session. Take all of the skills and all of the experience that I give you. Put that on your resume, you guys. Put it on there. Put it on the resume and land this job, okay? Land this job. They're giving you everything, you guys, but you have to take the step to do what you need to do. Like I said, this is 2023. If not now, when? Okay? If not now, when? When are you going to say that I am going to be a champion for my family? Okay? You guys, you do this for you and your family. I cannot stress enough how much I want you guys to get this job. That's why I created my virtual resume rewrite sessions, because I knew I didn't have the time. I don't have the time to go through all of you guys' resumes, so I wanted to gift you with my knowledge, okay? Y'all go pick it up. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session. Put all of the skills, all of the experience within your resume. Land this job, okay, you guys? 2023, we are coming into a life of abundance. We are no longer doing stress and struggle. No more repos, no more past due bills, no more no more evictions, no more anything that is going to stress us out. You don't know where you're going to be a year from now, and I'm here to help you get there, okay? Y'all go get the virtual resume rewrite session. Now, let's go down to the salary, because I know this is what y'all been waiting for. So, let's go to the salary. So, you guys, this job pays $135,000. It starts at $135,000. You have equity, which means stock in the company, and you also have, like I said, you also get a bonus with this. You have the benefits, the bonus. It starts at $135,000, but with your experience, and that's why I say use the virtual resume rewrite session to show that you have experience being a manager, you guys, experience doing this job. Use that virtual resume rewrite session with all of the skills, the experience. Literally, it's pain free. 10 minutes, you're gonna have a professional resume. Okay, y'all go land this job. Okay, go land this job. Like I said, this is 2023, and we will live in a life of an abundance. We are starting this year. We're gonna live in a life of abundance, and not struggle. Okay, you guys have such a wonderful day today. Thank you for tuning into the channel. Until I see you guys tomorrow, you guys be kind to each other, love each other, just be kind to yourself, okay? Be kind to yourself. Do this for you. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session. 15 minutes. This is the 15 minutes that you are going to take to do it for you, to pour into you. Okay, you guys, have a great, wonderful, blessed, productive day.